For this pattern, we're going to put the pickup stick in the front, and we're going to keep our heddle in the neutral position. So I'm going to go through, I'm going to pass over 4 threads and then pick up 4. And now each color section is made up of 8 threads. So I will be picking up half of each color section. All right. Now I'm going to turn my pickup stick on its side. And pass through. Pickup stick, go ahead and feet down. It back into the neutral position in each section. So over 3, pick up 1, over 1, pick up 3. Over 3, pick up 1, over 1, pick up 3. And we are going to continue that pattern. So go ahead and pass through. Remove the stick. And feet down. So we're going to put the feet back in the neutral position, and we're going to go over 2, pick up 1, over 1, pick up 1, over 1, pick up 2. And then in the next 8 section block, it's over 2, pick up 1, over 1, pick up 1, over 1, pick up 2. And we're going to continue that all the way to the end. Okay, so we turn the stick, pass through. Hit the stick. Back into neutral. So now we're going to go into the upshed. Pass through. Down shed. Sleeve and feet down. Neutral position. Now we're going to do what we did last time, but in reverse. So we're going to pick up 2 threads. Down 1, up 1, down 1, up 1, over 2. Pick up 2, down 1, up 1, down 1, up 1, over 2. Pick up 2, down 1, over 1, up 1, over 2, and then up 2, down 1, up 1, down 1, up 1, over 2. And we're going to keep doing that till the end. So after we passed through, we did 2 rows of plain weave, starting in the up shed and then the down shed. Now we are repeating our last one, but in reverse. So we are doing up 2, down 1, up 1, down 1, up 1, over 2. So up 2 for each 8 color block. Down 1, up 2, or up 1, down 1, up 1, over 2. So pick up 2, pass over 1, pick up 1, pass over 1, pick up 1, then pass over 2. Now we're going to continue doing that all the way until the end. All right, so now we pass through. All right, now we're going to do pick up 3, over 1, pick up 1, and then go over 3. So pick up 3, over 1, under 1, over 3. Pick up 3, over 1, under 1, over 3. And we're just going to repeat that all the way to the other end. So pick up 3, pass over 1, pick up 1, pass over 3. And again, we are in the neutral position of with our heddle. So I know most of the time when we do pickup sticks, we go into the downshift first. But for this particular pattern, we are putting it every time we insert the pickup stick. We are in the neutral position. We're going to turn the stick on its side, pass through. Down, back into the neutral. And now we are going to do the opposite of what our first one was again. So we're going to pick up 4, down 4. And remember for step 1, so this is literally the exact opposite. 4, 4, 4, 4. Alright, so we're going to turn the stick onto its side, pass through. Go ahead and beat down. Now we're going to repeat the exact same thing with the yellow, and we'll check back in just a moment to get a close-up. So now we have 2 complete sets of the pinwheel design, and even though it's not really fluffed up yet, you can still see how it's going to cross and create that pinwheel texture. Once we have the finished cloth, it'll stand out a lot more. You can already see it just by alternating the colors. We're getting that nice pinwheel look. Probably going to do 1 or 2 more sets of this and then finish it off and start continuing up with purple.